SCANKERB is a unique modern concept curb system that can be laid extremely quickly and cost-effectively with minimum traffic disruption. Traditional curb systems need costly excavation and plant hire, whereas SCANKERB can be adhered to any existing highway, significantly reducing project times and installation costs. There is a range of SCANKERB products to suit a variety of applications, such as cycle paths, bridge curbing, car parks, traffic management projects, and traffic calming schemes. It is also ideal for applications where services are located close to the road surface and for either temporary or permanent curbing for new housing developments. The benefits are clear. Quick installation times mean less congestion and inconvenience to road users. There is no requirement for costly excavation and therefore no requirement for heavy plant. SCANKERB is lightweight and easy to handle, offering great flexibility and versatility. Cost savings in comparison with traditional systems are considerable. SCANKERB is already widely used throughout the United Kingdom. So how is SCANKERB laid? Firstly, the surface of the highway should be swept to remove any large particles. Next, mark the highway with a line to show where the SCANKERB is to be laid, using a wax road marker for the radius and a string for straight lines. That is all the preparation needed. SCANKERBs are supplied with a rubber asphalt-based adhesive applied to the underside of the units. SCANCOAT adhesive is applied by hand roller to the area where the curbing is to be laid. It is then left to dry, but in warm conditions, the curbs can be laid onto the coating straight away. As soon as the two layers come into contact, the coating will flux to the ground, securing the curb in place. In wet or generally inclement conditions, the surface should be dried using a gas torch with a mouth of at least 50 mm. The curb adhesive should also be heated until tacky. The curbs can then be laid. 1 litre of SCANCOAT will usually be enough to lay 15 linear metres of SCANKERB, although the quantity required is dependent on how porous the ground surface is and the air temperature. Where the laying surface is uneven, additional sections of SCANStrip should be used prior to the heating process. This will ensure optimum adhesion and evenness along the full length of each curb unit. To keep alignment during laying, a long-handled wooden tool or rubber maul should be used to prevent damage to the curb face. The whole process is simple and extremely cost-effective, enabling curbing schemes to be introduced with minimum disruption to road users and without the need for costly plant hire.